So here was the Maverick thinking, again, that I had seen it all in the beautiful game of football. Not so. In the English League Championship over the weekend, the Birmingham City derby between Aston Villa and Birmingham City, a miscreant Birmingham supporter ran onto the field and attacked and punched Aston Villa midfielder Jack Grealish in the back of the neck before being restrained by a single steward with the help of some players. This happened in one of the top football jurisdictions in the world. The culprit was subsequently banned from all football grounds in England for 10 years and astonishingly jailed for only 14 weeks. This man get where? For a man to venture onto the playing area and physically attack a player like that, what if this drunken madman had smuggled a knife onto the pitch and seriously hurt or even killed the baller? I think the football authorities in England and all over the world should be more harsh with offenses like these. A man like this should never enter a football stadium again. What do you mean? Send a clear message. Keep your bigotry and your hate and your monkey chants. Keep all of these things in the stands. But from you leave the stands and attack the players physically on the pitch, zero tolerance, life ban from football, and 8 to 10 years in prison. You cannot run in and punch him on the...